If you've accidentally deleted your WhatsApp messages and don't have a backup, don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to recover those messages without a backup. So let's dive right in. First, let's understand the scenario. WhatsApp typically allows you to restore messages from a backup either on Google Drive for Android or iCloud for iPhone. But if you haven't backed up your messages, we'll need to use a different approach. We'll be We'll be needing to use a third-party software to recover those messages. There are many options out there like Dr.Fone.1 and many more. Start by downloading and installing Dr.Fone on your computer. This is the website that you need to download, and make sure to download the version that is compatible with your operating system. Once installed, open the Dr.Fone Toolkit and connect your smartphone to the computer using a USB cable. On the Dr.Fone interface, click on Recover. Tap on it. And this option helps to recover lost or deleted data from your smartphone. Next, select Recover WhatsApp Messages and click Start Scan. Dr.Fone now will begin scanning your device for any recoverable WhatsApp messages. This process might take a few minutes, so be patient. While it's scanning, make sure your phone stays connected and avoid using it to prevent any interruptions. Once the scan is complete, you'll see a list of recoverable messages. Preview the messages and select the ones you want to recover. And that's it. Your deleted WhatsApp messages are now recovered. It's that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks.